Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I'm going to tell you how to use the sheet mask. So I have a lot of them and I've been using them for about 6 months from now, and today the one that I'm going to try is green tea one. Now what this green tea sheet mask does is that it is going to kind of brighten your skin and detoxify your skin. And so what you do, you just tear it off from the top, and there is a face shaped sheet fabric which is soaked into serum. Now it's like a sheet. Once I open it off, you can see it's a sheet which is soaked in serum. And what you do is, just after washing your face and toning your face, you go ahead, open this packet and take off that sheet which has serum in it, and you go ahead and apply it on your face, and you keep it for good about 15 minutes. Yeah, here it comes. So this is how it comes out. It has like 2 holes for eye, one for nose and for your mouth, and you can go ahead and apply it on your face the way I am doing in this video, and keep it for good 15 minutes. And this works really well. Now you can find these sheet masks online, or you can find it in a health and glow store. I bought this online. This is from, I guess, Innisfree, if I don't remember. I do not remember which one it is. So face masks are from Face Shop, Innisfree, and there are many other brands. You can find it in Health and Glow too. Now you keep this for good 15 minutes, and once you're done with it, and you take it off, and I feel the next day when you get up, you have a very brightened skin. And I recommend that you use it just for 15 minutes and not more than that, because it dries up. It literally dries up and there's hardly anything left into it, so that you may keep. So I would recommend that you go for 15 minutes. And my favorite sheet mask in all its range is the solution. They have the solution which costs 150 rupees. That works. The brightening one works really well. And if you're going for this normal sheet mask, you can go for the lemon one, because lemon one literally helps in brightening your skin. And the other sheet masks that I've used, they do their job, but I did not find them as good as the lemon or the brightening one. So this is the way you go ahead and you apply these kind of masks. So guys, I just forgot to shoot, I did shoot how I took off this mask, but I lost that clip and I couldn't add it in this video. So what you do, you simply, after 15 minutes, you just take it off. You don't have to wash your face or do anything. I would recommend that you use these kinds of treatments at the night time, because once you apply it and then you keep it for good, then you keep it for like overnight, and then once you get up in the morning, it gets good time to get soaked, and your skin literally looks really good the next day. And I always recommend all kind of these kind of face packs or face masks to be used at the night time, so that once you're sleeping, everything is very well absorbed into your skin relaxes, and you get the best out of it in the morning. And obviously you don't have to go ahead and apply a moisturizer. I haven't felt any of the time that I need a moisturizer after using these kind of serums. But just in case, if your skin is really dry, or it's getting flaky, I would recommend that you go ahead and apply a moisturizer. Then you can you can go ahead and sleep, and once you get up in the morning, you will wash your face. I am telling you again that after applying this mask, you don't have to wash your face. It is serum. It has the serum, and your skin needs to absorb it. And once done with it, you will simply go ahead and moisturize your face. If you are feeling that your skin is very dry, and if there's nothing as such, you can simply go ahead and sleep or do whatever you want, and at least after 4 to 5 hours, or if you get up in the morning, you go ahead and you wash your face, and you will have a very brightened skin. So guys, this is all for today. Hope you like this video. hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please stay tuned because I have some amazing content coming up for you guys. That's all. Tada, bye bye.